A very sad morning kuri bururi mugima wa Kenya undu mwe na atongoria bururi na muno makiria thiini wa industry ya sports kana mathako na u ni thutha wa World Marathon Champion gukorwo agigikua rucini rwa muthenya wa umuthi mwanake uria ukioikaine ta Kelvin Kiptum na uria urikirie gukorwo agigikua kugerera mutino wa farafara muthenya wa umuthi na ngiguthomera ndumiriri ya ikikoretwo igikirutwo igigikuo gia Kelvin ni ati Kenya's Kelvin Kiptum dies, age 24. Kenya's Kelvin Kiptum, the men's marathon world record holder, has died in a road accident in his home country, age 24. He was killed alongside his coach, Rwanda's Givers Hakizimana. Kiptum broke Eliud Kipchoge's world record in Chicago last October, running the 26.1 miles in 2 hours and 35 seconds. His rise to the top of one athletics hardest event was rapid. He ran and won his first marathon in 2022, but 4 years earlier, he had borrowed shoes to compete in his first athletics event because he couldn't afford a pair of his own. He was among a new crop of Kenyan athletes who began their careers on the road, breaking away from the past tradition of athletes, starting on the track before switching to longer distance. Our thoughts are with their friends and families. Eo akire ndumiriri iria gikorirwo igikirutwo ni one of the radio station kuma guku bururi-ini na ona gikiuma guku gwa Gikuyu Flavour Media twakiendithiria undu ogwitwo Kiptum kihuruko githiraga kuona agikorirwo agikihuruka akiri na ukuru wa miaka 24 na gikuo kiria gikorirwo gikiri kiuru muno kuona agikorirwo agigicemania na gikuo giake kugerera mutino wa farafara rucini rwa umuthi na kuria magikorirwo magikiona mutino uyu makiri na coach wake na uria akoragwo agikiumite bururi-ini wa Rwanda na kuma uko kwa Gikuyu Flavour Media tugagikiheana ndumiriri citu cia macaka ya kuri family yake na ni undu wa news ici na ingi nyingi kuhoena gitio wetikirwo gukorwo gi-subscribe haha na ndukariganirwo gukorwo kihinya notification bell na nigetha hindi ciothe tuki-upload video njeru ugagikoragwo kiri wa mbere gukorwo ukimiamukira nie titagwo Nyarari ya Murang'a ni ngatho.